Today's man of the match, Keanu Johnson, right? Jackson, sorry, my apologies. First of all, congrats on today's game. Before we talk about your individual performance, you guys would have gone down early. How did you feel after conceding the first two goals?
I feel really confident because we know that we have the quality to get back in the game, so I wasn't worried.
Alright, so you would have controlled the game today, in the middle of the park, just passing the ball around, advancing your team forward. Speak to us about how you feel about your individual performance today.
I feel really great because when I was in training, I was keeping my composure, just waiting and just execute.
Even though we've given you the man of the match today, we saw before you scored your goal, you missed an easy goal. What was going through your head after you missed that goal?
I was relaxed there, man. I was fully focused, knowing we were in front, so I wasn't really thinking anything.
Yeah, and then lastly, you guys, after winning today, are going forward onto two semi-finals now. What is the feeling in the camp after these two games?
Feeling will be really great. We go home, we celebrate, then we prepare again for Friday.
All right, good game, brother.
Yeah, man, thanks.